99, 100%. Kingdom Hearts HD 1.5. 2.5 is ready to play. Would you like to do the owner, sweetheart? Would you like to launch the game? That's circle. Let's triangle, dude. Hold on, hold on.
I want to play Circo.
You want to play circle?
Circo!
Square.
I don't know what the fuck I'm pushing. I honestly don't.
Okay. There you go. Look at that. Memories. Disney Interactive Studios presents Square Enix. Disney development by Square Enix, something. Hopefully this is the first one. I was like, we downloaded the wrong one. It only gives me. Oh, I think it is. I like how it's like
Kingdom Hearts Final Mix, Kingdom Hearts
Chain of Memories.
Yeah.
Because the first one is the final remix because it was like a release.
There we go.
Yeah, it looks a hell of a lot better because we were playing this off of your
Baby bitch.
the honors. It'll be the first one. That's where you gotta press X. It's not like the Nintendo Switch where it's like opposite. The fuck? Did you do that?
Mm.
Oh no, cause you hear the little. They're hearing like a silent phone where it's like, press X. Start playing Kingdom Hearts Final Remix. Oh, you don't want to just play? You don't want to relive the memories? Those memorias? You're the expert. So, how does it feel to be the expert in this game?
I'm not the expert. That's why the Nintendo had bite marks on it.
Well, your Switch?
No, the baby square.
Oh, the GameCube?
No, not the GameCube. The other one.
You see the baby square?
It was a baby square. It was light pink. It's like your silver one that you had.
That's the PSP.
No, it's not the PSP.
Your Game Boy?
Yes.
Could've. Man, that's wild.
Yeah. Where's the remote?
Why? There's no
No, if
settings.
you let it be though, you can hear the ocean.
No, I can hear the ocean. But when I change the thing, it's like.
Do it. Go through it. Yeah.
I can still hear I could have heard the ocean. I could still kind of
No,
hear
but
it.
if you stop it, it's peaceful.
Sounds more like I hear like a mixture of the fans, but then I also hear the ocean like in the background.
No, all I hear is nothing.
Huh?
I mean the ocean.
The ocean. Never played Kingdom Hearts. The fuck? Final Remix Beginner, and then Final Remix Proud.
Really? Battles my fucking ass. Wow, I'm really killing me.
Recommended for the first time. Begin with rare items in the easy mode. Encounter tough enemies.
My ass is
I guess we just do normal. Unless you want to do hard because there's no name in this bitch.
Please.
Just normal.
Yes.
Automatic rolling camera. Manually rolling camera with stick. I like how the mixture of stuff of auto and stuff, you know. This is a PS5. Select vibration settings for the DualShock 4. I want to feel this in my nuts. I've done that before. It's like when the controller vibrates, I've like gone like that just to see what I can feel it. Sometimes I go like this in my teeth, and you ever do like a vibrating thing near your teeth and just makes sounds?
No.
No, just me.
Yeah, because I'm not putting shit in my mouth. This doesn't belong in my mouth.
But yeah, you still love me for some reason.
Yeah,
Yeah?
absolutely.
So, apparently this story is hella convoluted with different variants.
Wait, Kingdom Hearts or talking about us? Okay.
It's like dark chocolate. It's
Yeah.
hella chocolate. I don't remember it being this funny. I remember one of the Kingdom Hearts. I remember people were saying
I've
it's
been
shit
having these weird thoughts.
because of one of the actors did really shit like voice acting. I don't remember
Like,
which one.
is any of this for real or not?
Man, he sounds weird.
I swear.
Like I said, I never played Kingdom Hearts. I only played Sora and Mario and Smash Bros.
I fucking love this song.
Like the beach song.
Skrillex redid this. Or Skrillex is in this.
I think it's Skrillex.
It's Skrillex and Utada Hikaru.
Wait, what?
Who's singing? Her name is Utada Hikaru. This background, Skrillex. They both fucked around with it.
This particular song? Thought Skrillex was in the game. I was like, that makes no sense. The game came out before Skrillex.
I remember, because I was like, I'm gonna get this song, I have to get this song. Or I have to get this game, and then I was like, crazy. I fucking love this song.
Yeah, one of the main things that bothered me about Kingdom Hearts was like the proportions.
Wait, I think I understood you. What?
The one thing that I've seen about Kingdom Hearts that always bothered me was the proportions.
Yeah.
Like them big ass feet, big ass heads. There's many like bobbleheads.
No, I agree with
Yeah, you got someone like Square Enix that does like Final Fantasy shit, and you've seen like some of their live action stuff like this look really fucking good, especially like PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2. With
I was gonna put it in your mouth, but I was waiting for you to stop talking.
like Final Fantasy 8 and 7. Some of the older ones too.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? It's like you're trying to give me a cigarette, you know? Out there. You want some joints, babe?
You can't take two sticks in your mouth at the same time?
Everyone can be blessed like you. You need something. You say your mouth is small.
I have a small mouth. I don't know what's wrong with your tongue.
I was sipping Beauty there.
That's Snow White.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'm sorry, I'm on the loop.
Yeah, I don't
So
remember
much
this part in the
booze, so
beginning.
little time. Take your time. Don't be afraid.
Would have been wise words to hear when I was younger. The fuck?
The store is still shut. I don't think I read that. Now step forward. Can you do it?
No. If I stop playing.
I thought you got pretty fucking decent. Like I thought you were making the moves. Use the left stick to move.
I was. And then I stopped. The Heartless got hard. Right?
Hardness got hard.
The Heartless.
The fuck is heartless? Enemies? Power sleep. If you get it informed, I will give you strength.
It will give you strength.
I didn't read like something. So what is the best option in this? What's the one that you always chose?
I don't know. You're literally asking me to uncover
I didn't
dramatic
dramatic.
memories.
Okay, so that one's giving you strength. This one didn't even tell me shit, and that one's like a shield. What will you choose?
Sword, because you fight bitches with swords because you're my knight.
Yeah, it's circle to show. I'm used to like X. Power of warrior, invincible courage, something. As far as you seek. Oh, so it gives you different options. What's the pink one?
Yeah.
Ow. What's the other one try?
Oh.
Power of the Guardian, kindness of to aid friends, a shield to repel all. Alright, what does the wand do? Freaking Disney. The power of mystics, inner strength, a staff, something. So hard. That's right, you should try and give me diabetes.
No.
A sword of terrible destruction, that's what's up. Man, all this stuff is Disney, what's the word I'm looking for?
Paraphernalia.
Okay. Disney Brennan is what I think I was trying to say, because it's like,
This is Disney.
I know. Got Mickey Mouse's face all over it. It's like the sword, the shield, and the staff. Freaking Mickey.
The Father, the Spirit, the
What?
Son, the Father, the Holy Spirit. There we
And power of Sethra. Now, what will you up in exchange?
go. Fuck. What was the power of the Mystic? Power of the Mystic is what? Give up power of the Mystic.
Because one of us, the show is to repel, protect. I think this one just aids friends. Inner strength. Staff of war, yeah, ruin. I guess. Power of the Mystic. This is, yeah, sure. Maybe not. Yeah, fuck it. Why were we on freaking Snow White stained glass? Does it
I
look
don't
nice?
know.
So what's the lore? The person's convoluted. Oh, it's
You got it? You got it? You can do it.
Bugatti. What?
You said Bugatti? I said you got it.
It sounded like you were saying Bugatti. It's
You can do it.
General.
What'd you say?
Cinderella.
There you go, yeah.
I
There's a 3 in a row.
didn't even read that. Oh, that's just attack. And this control is weird. Alright, power. Green displays your HP. Run out of HP, you take to continue stream.
HP, my laptop.
The blue gauge shows your MP. There will be times you have to fight. Keep your light burn strong.
Kill him.
I can.
This is for all the times you made me want to die and kill myself in the video game and in real life, you stupid whore.
Talking to the Artless.
Yes.
Your gauge XP, defeat enemies. Enough XP, you gain levels. Furthermore, defending is that defending and deflecting?
Defeated enemies
Oh,
sometimes
defeated.
leave items behind.
Okay.
You can take these items by walking up to them.
Hey, you know me, I'm...
Different items can do different things, like restore HP or MP. Would you like me to read?
Behind you.
He's about a Gaddafi with his antennas.
Gaddafi?
Gaddafi, yeah.
Thanks, Gaddafi.
It's where you like
Oh,
the
you...
butt. Generally you don't automatically target the nearest enemy.
The 1,000 years of death?
Yeah. That was the Naruto thing.
Wait, how you say it?
What? Gaddafi?
No, the other one.
Naruto?
Naruto? Is the proper term Naruto or Naruto?
Some Pikachu? Pokemon?
Wait, what's Pikachu one?
Pikachu or Pikaman?
Become
No, he's like Pikachu or Pikaman.
Alright,
But But you can hello. But you can lock onto a specific target by pressing R1.
So right, well, basically.
Lock on will appear in the upper left corner of your screen while you're locked onto a target. That actually works really good.
The lock on.
Yeah. Locking onto a target limits the actions available to you, especially against other targets.
Yeah, how do you know the lock on works really good? It's been like how many years since you last played?
Forever. I just remember doing that because I'd be like, why the fuck does everybody keep killing me? Because I don't remember what I was doing. I just remember I went to the night before Christmas World and I was like, yeah, I just want to be here all the fucking time. I went to go see Little Mermaid and I was like, I fucking hate this place. I was chewing up my fucking video game so hard. Press R1 again to release target lock.
Had some good water.
Look at him, fucking gets it out in the back. You son of a bitch.
So how do you
They left you green apple boba.
It doesn't even look like mobile. That looks like the little, you know, the ice cream.
Oh, Dot?
Yeah.
Kill him.
I'm more used to the Devil May Cry thing, like where it has like soft locking
Yeah.
and occasionally like the hard lock. Mainly for when you're using the controller. You play Devil May Cry?
No.
It's really good. It has a bit of a learning curve to it, and then with the puzzles, because originally Devil May Cry was supposed to be a Resident Evil game. I pretty much played them all. I have the fifth one. I played a little bit of it and never really continued it for whatever reason. I don't remember why. Where are you at? What's this? Are these the princesses?
Yeah.
They're supposed to be like what, Sleeping Beauty?
Snow White, Sleeping Beauty. Or at least that looks like Snow White. But Sleeping Beauty, Cinderella, those two. There's supposed to be another one, but she doesn't belong to the. She doesn't belong to Disney.
Oh.
She's Russian. I don't know.
Oh, Anastasia?
There you go. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 20th Century Fox. That's before Disney bought 20th
And that's
Century
so
Fox.
fucking lame because she should be in there.
Yeah, it's 20th Century Fox. It's crazy. Like, you think about it, she's a princess, and you think Disney, but not till now, because, you know, the mouse now owns 20th Century Fox.
When his rights expire, I'm hopping on the train now.
When triangle. What?
Examine pops up. You can press triangle to examine the object in front of you.
Okay, it's triangle twice. In the same setting, so.
Triangle,
Triangle, triangle to win. Can't open it.
Oh shit.
Have you
Use
tried?
your hands.
Yeah, have you tried actually like touching the door?
Yeah, bitch.
I think you'd like Sora.
If he played correctly,
You play correctly.
if he would win without me touching the controller.
Just do the thing.
Yeah, just do the thing. Do your job.
Press triangle to command. Wait.
Menu turns into various commands.
Tap tap. So
No,
where's my
not.
where's my keyblade?
You don't get that right now. You can push large crates. I'm trying to teach you how to do shit. You're in training camp, right?
I'm just here to win. No smash. I was smacking my own prey. Sometimes destroying objects yields items. Use them when the command. Use the wait.
Do
Use.
you want me to read? Use the items command.
You can take these items by walking up to them. Sorry, we're both dyslexic. What do you expect?
Whatever.
You can lock on to objects as well as enemies. That seems really counterproductive, though.
Maybe that's why I kept dying.
Yeah, because if you log into
You got it. You can do it.
if you log onto an enemy, well, if you want to log into an enemy and then you log onto an object by accident, I think that's like the issue I had with Saints Row, where Triangle did everything, where it's like you know, yeah, you use triangle. If you've seen like it, you press triangle in order to like you do those little finishers to get your health back,
Yeah.
and then also to get into cars. So it's like I'm trying to get into a car, press triangle to get into the car, but I end up doing a finisher instead.
I'm so sorry.
Shit wasn't right.
While locked on, press L2 to switch your focus between available targets.
So it's like
Yeah.
L2?
Yeah, well, because you don't have another target.
Oh,
so.
no. I was pressing R2. It's kind of weird.
Does that mean you can smash the door?
Well, I can log onto it. Like,
Can you smash the door? Why is it invisible looking? Let me open the fucking door, you stupid bitch. Open the door. Or I'm gonna throw rocks in your window.
who are you? What was
Dr. Phil.
I was about to say Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
Yeah. I don't know why. I think it's really cool that his the image thing for Microsoft was like an outline of his mugshot. Yeah.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah, I didn't told you about that.
Yeah.
I think Bill Gates is just a rad person to be with. You know.
Look at this bitch. Push her off the edge.
Oh, you don't like her?
I don't know. I don't know who she is.
No, you like to push her off the edge.
She just looks like she could be pushed off the edge really
I got neither of us, bro.
Press the touchpad button for first person view. You can use the left stick to look around.
What the heck? They're trying to integrate the touchpad and the freaking like.
They want you to feel fucked up.
I don't even know how old this game is.
I don't know either. You're asking the wrong dumb person.
Press the
Touchpad button again to return to standard view.
So do I click it in?
Look at how smug he looks in the bottom right corner.
Yeah, I know. So you don't actually like touch it. You literally just click on it and it's
You just
like
cough on it.
yeah, you're like and then it goes into there.
Exactly.
You fart, it goes into there. You
You
touch your
should be playing with your ass.
you touch your nibs and it just goes into there. So where the hell are you supposed to, who the fuck are you supposed to talk to? Who are you people?
Talk to everybody. Talk to everybody.
Trying to talk to nearby people. What do you want? Wait, what?
What do you want out of life? To see rare sights, to broaden my horizons, or to be strong?
What do you want?
I guess to be strong because I'm weak.
Punk ass bitch.
Huh?
Punk ass bitch.
I'm fucking dumb. This is to be strong, huh? Yes, bitch. Let me get through.
I
Fuck
can't.
you.
He doesn't want me to.
You need a shirt.
What are you afraid of? Getting old, being different, being what?
Indecisive. Means like,
Yeah, you can't settle on one thing pretty much.
yeah. Neither of these. So I guess getting old. I don't know.
Is that so scary? Is that real?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really.
Can't
You can't destroy him.
exactly. I swung at him, but I couldn't actually like swing on him. You know, I swing at him, but I can't swing at him. That looks like it would straight up hit. Look at that.
No, no.
It's like that hits. I just killed a I don't even know how old he is. Let's say 13-year-old boy. I killed a minor.
Stop. What's most important to you? Being number one, friendship, my prized possessions. My fiance. I guess it would be friendship.
Is this such a big deal?
Yes, bitch.
What the fuck did you ask? You want to be strong. You're afraid of getting old. You want friendship.
I guess you didn't give me better options, bro.
I got none of this is like narrated.
I know. What if I couldn't read?
Dude, I was as a little kid, younger, didn't want to read shit. I skipped through all the tutorial shit and just read it.
Installed.
Oh, okay. I have to press X. I was going to keep scrolling. Your adventure begins at mid to keep a steady pace, and you'll come through fine. Oh, what the fuck was saying? Sounds good. Second thoughts.
On second thought, wait.
I guess you change your choices. Just see it like at the very end. None of this shit actually matters.
It don't. I swear to God, it don't.
I don't know. I never played this game. You never beaten this game. This is the first time I played this. The day you open, I didn't get to read that. Oh,
I
no,
honestly,
it's
I don't remember that.
it's like oh look now it's like very, but it's like oh it didn't want to scroll before I had to press X. Now I gotta press X.
The real question is, how did we get in the middle of the fucking ocean on some weird fucking little boat?
I guess it has to do with the lore.
And then we're in this giant black, like, space. We're in the middle of bumfuck nowhere and on stained glass on princesses' faces and shit.
Again,
Learning how to do shit.
I guess it's just part of the lore. It's
Part
just
of the lore, he must be fucking high or some shit.
It's
It's not in the ocean, that's for
yeah,
sure.
but the crazier part is like how all the games are pretty much canon. Even like the shitty online one. There was like an online game that was supposed to be like 100 some odd years in the past, and it's like, hey, this is the Key Wars or whatever. I think there was like a game on Java.
Java. Wait, sorry.
Java's the
I was gonna say Java the Hutt? What are you talking about? I'm sorry.
you know the program Java, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know how there were Java games on phones?
Yeah.
Apparently, if you bought a phone through Verizon, you can play a Kingdom Hearts game on your phone.
Fuck off.
But no one had it because no one bought it. Press the option button. Press the option button in order to press the option button to open up the menu screen. I should add more words. In the
Don't you
menu screen. In the menu screen, you can do things like view your inventory and stats, or configure your game settings. I got talked if I was working at McDonald's.
I know, I hear it. I hear it a lot when you play.
However, you can't open the menu during battle.
So I asked you, do you want me to read it? I don't mind it.
Shit, I don't have it on the screen. If you saw the, I was playing Dead Rising. Yeah, there was like a thing. There was like this wall of text for like a very short, not a short while. It was pretty long. That was going to be short. I basically just like looked at it. I just read that in one go. It was like blah, 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 and then it was done. And I was like, why isn't that going? Or something. It just took a long ass time to like dissolve.
I'm sorry.
Just crazy. So it was just telling me I can do stuff.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the option.
These stupid, dumb, fucking bitches. I swear to God.
They're just called Heartless, right?
Yeah.
Oh, what the hell? You saw that?
Yeah, I know that's what I'm talking about. You just start swinging shit.
I am.
It doesn't even matter what you're looking at anymore.
What's the there's like no defense
Right now.
button. They're pushing me,
No, I know.
you little goobers.
You fucking purple goobers. You fucking.
I think
Ronald
aren't they
McDonald
black?
Little. I swear to God, their outline is purple. You fucking.
I guess it
purple.
I guess it changes with like because this is the final
Goobers.
remix.
No, I think they get.
I guess the color changes on the color of the skin.
You experience different things. And all of them are as easy as this was.
So these green things really are Pez's or what they're called?
What?
The ice cream?
Oh my God, the ice cream.
What are they called?
I don't know. I just know I wanted to eat it for such a long time.
I really like them. It's been a hot minute since I had them.
Wait, what the fuck are you talking about?
The little green ice cream things. You know we just talked to them and it was like, so these ice cream things are like these little green things are like the little ice cream things, you know, and you're like, oh, it's this new.
Oh, dots.
Yeah.
Dots.
So
Okay.
we're agreeing on
yeah.
that Sora gets his health back by eating dots.
I mean, he steps on them, but yeah.
Secretly, he's just like he like kicks them like a soccer player into his mouth.
It's sanitary as fuck.
Babe, it's a cartoon.
Look at his big ass fucking shoes.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's
Those are like Lamborghinis on his feet.
what?
He like drives around in those.
For real?
No.
I don't know. Freaking Disney's part of this. Disney, it's crazy sometimes. This is a save point. Touch the save point in order to touch the save point to recover HP and MP. Press triangle to open the save menu.
The triangles go with the triangles. The square.
You gonna turn up the AC? Okay.
Anyways, then he comes back and he goes, the square. Fuck.
It's square with a pie.
No. No. I don't remember. Oh, it's the frying. Let's go with the frying.
I like how through the
The circos.
like how through the
Oh, fuck.
projector it looks like it's colored correctly, but if I look on my computer screen, it looks like super
Shit's
dark.
vibrant as fuck.
Yeah, it's vibrant. It's like really like they saturate the colors a bit, right?
It hurts my eyes to look at your screen versus the projector.
Yeah.